In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Google Sheets to automate your workflows. If you use Google Sheets to track leads, tasks, or any kind of data, imagine if it could automatically trigger actions or send information to other apps. That's exactly what we'll do together, so your spreadsheets work for you behind the scenes. First, why connect Google Sheets to Zapier? When you link them, new rows can automatically flow into other apps. Your data stays updated in real time, and you can trigger emails, Slack messages, or even AI tasks based on what's in your sheet. The big win is saving hours of manual copy-pasting. In short, Zapier makes your spreadsheet smart. Let's connect Google Sheets to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account, click Create, and choose Zap. In the Trigger search box, type Google Sheets and select it. Click Sign In, choose your Google account, and click Allow to grant access. Once this connection is set, you won't have to repeat it for that account. Now, use Google Sheets as a trigger. Select New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger event and click Continue. Pick the connected Google account, continue again, and choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to watch. Continue. Once more, then click Test Trigger to confirm Zapier can see your data. For best results, make sure your sheet has clear column headers and at least one sample row for Zapier to pull in during testing. Google Sheets can also act as the destination for data. After your trigger is set, click the plus button to add an action. Search for Google Sheets, then choose Create Spreadsheet Row, Update Spreadsheet Row, or another action that fits your workflow. If prompted, connect your account. Next, map the fields from your Trigger app to the correct spreadsheet columns. Take a moment to match each field carefully, then click Continue and Test Step to ensure data lands exactly where you expect. When everything looks good, turn on your automation by clicking Publish or Turn On at the top. From now on, whenever a new row is added or updated, your Zap runs automatically. Here are a few real-world examples. For collecting form submissions, the trigger is a new row in Google Sheets, and the action is sending an email notification to your team. For CRM updates, the trigger is a new lead in Google Sheets, and the action adds that lead to a tool like HubSpot or Notion. For AI-powered responses, the trigger is a new row with a customer question. The action sends that data to an AI, and the response is written back into Google Sheets. Today you learned why Google Sheets pairs so well with Zapier, how to connect them, use Sheets as a trigger or an action, test your setup, and turn your Zap on. With this, your spreadsheet becomes an automated workflow that saves time and eliminates repetitive tasks.